Okay. Good morning, everyone. I welcome you to our very first ever fun run. Asa ato ang bebe magtapok. Request ako sa everyone to please magtapok ta din sa atong bahan. Come on, come on. Talking to the Let's go, let's go. Kinsa din hiya mga 10K runners. Woo! Wow, grabe. 5K runners. Ay, daghan, 3K! Tara. Medyo gamay pa sila ha, pero okay lang. 1.5K runners! Asa ang ato run for a K runner! Yeah, grabe ang energy. At ma-feel ba ninyo atong energy karon? Okay! Sa karungkan at salamat, I would like to welcome you. May buntag din yung tanan. I'm Trixie Mendoza, will be your MC for this fun run. Grabe, ang mga kasi mga gwapo-gwapa din ha, bebe? Wow, hindi sila magpalumpig. So, for those of you, I all welcome you sa itong pinakaunang, pinaka-historic na kalihukan sa atong parokya. Dili lang ni basta dagan, kiniusa ka, tanaw sa pagtuo, kalipay, o panaghiusa. We all welcome you to the first ever fun run sa San Fernando, Parish, Liloanons 2026. Run for a king, run for a cause. Pak. Grabe. Okay. So, grabe yun kayo. Ako balikon pag-roll call tabalik. Where are my 10K runners? Be, pak. Atong mga 5K runners. Dili magpalupig atong 3K runners. And of course, ang pinakalisod. Wow. Atong 1.5K runners. Hey. Hello. Yes. So kanitanan, salamat kayo sa iyong presensya. This fun run will not be possible without each one of you. Okay? So before anything else, we would like to acknowledge and thank our generous principal sponsors of our fun run whose support made this event possible. Also alongside our parish ministries and volunteers, medical team and first aid responders, traffic and security marshals, media, photo, and documentation team, and of course, you, our mananagan! Can I hear say A, John? Ay, grabe mga Gen Z, dyan ay silang tanan. Very good. So runners, please capture this moment. #run for King, run for a cause. Yay! So murag nagpanikat na gino itong mga katuhuran o itong mga kaskasuan. So ako na ning tawgon to lead us into our Zumba. Ready mo mag-Zumba? Oh, okay. Later na daw na. For now, I would like to roll out and thank all of our sponsors, our municipal Luan, Dito Telecommunity, Barangay Poblacion, Barangay Tarman, Barangay Tayod, Congressman Duke Frasco, Rico's Catering, Katarman Industries Inc., Chordel, Ginebra San Miguel, Chandelier Mansion, Zappi and Kasi Catering Services, Maxway International Trading, Buds, June Magnus Print and More Services, Katawa Exclusive Vacation House, Shauner's Events and Catering Services, Black and Pink Catering Services, Lily's Fashion and Catering Services, Cebu Ventures Marketing and Technical Services, Inc., Trans Creations, Edwin and Dulce Juansi Catering, Cedary and Bricks, San Roque College, Liwayway Marketing Corp, Fit Bar, Municipal Advisory Clinic. Thank you so much for all of us and of course all of our volunteers right now. Salamat tayo. And from our municipal council sa katong mga gipanggutom na adto tay water and egg sa last nga 10 sa last 2 eggs. Courtesy of our municipal advisory council. Thank you so much mga ma'am and sir. Okay? Ready na ba itong mga mananaya? Wala pa? Sige be, masayaw lang sa sugdan na lang nato and I wanna dance. Okay. So, kinsay kay baw sa beat. Be, kano sa kawawa na? Kana nag-trend karon in TikTok? Bebe, unsa man na? Hawak ko ang beat. Pwede na mo sayaw anak kadiyot, kuya? Kadiyot lang. Teaser lang sa ato ang grabe ka Zumba wake up, warm up exercise. Beka, babi, ay, grabe, kinsay mga Gen Z here? Gen Z, be, can you say a whoa? Nagkilaya, uy, grabe. Millennials! Kinsa to mga mama sa mga millennials? Mga titos and titas na to? Okay? Pwede request na mag-move forward lang ta? Move forward? Yay! Okay, hinay-hinay na ta. Yeah. Left and right and left and left. Left and right.
Pasok mo pa lang, gumalaw ang gabi. Sa ilalim ng ilaw, ikaw ang sinisigawin. Bango'y diretsyo, walang alilangan. Sa bawat ilaw mo, isang dahilan. Kutas na ng musika, hawak mo ang sandali. Isang tingin mo lang, ako'y tumibigay din. Wala nang salitang kailangan pa. Sayaw mo pa lang, sagot na sa lahat. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo, ako'y nabibig. Hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Father Kins, Seso also, and Father Joseph Lanita. Okay? So, okay. Forward, gamay. So, run like a king, run for a cause. So, kinsa man picture selfie diha. We can do our official hashtags. Hashtag run like a king, run for a cause. Okay, forward. Okay, forward. Right, left, left. Kinsa may nga ba kung ato tanaw kinsay mga grabe ka active. Yeah. Wala pa? Hawak ko ang gabi. Right. 1, 2, 1. Very good. Faster. Wala pa. Oh, wow. Chill. Grabe, asa naman itong mga magsasayaw din grabe.
Dito sa sahig, sabay tayong sasabog. Sa tunog ng disco, wala
Oh, ready?
ikaw ang reyna ng galaw ngayon.
Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Trawa ko. Very good.
Sa bawat galaw,
Right. 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5. Faster. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, very good. Got it. Age is just a number to the eye. Yay! Grabe! Ayaw makatapat! Tawa yung katapat! Face to face! Tawa yung katapat! Tawa! Go! Likod! Wala naman no. Wah, grabe man na to? Napailain? Nagkuha pa daw. Kuha pa? Yes, okay na ba? Ready na ba? At so ang... Okay. Now, to lead us to our official warm-up. Wow, warm-up exercises and Zumba. I would like to call on to lead them, mga batanon dyan ni, our Parish Youth Coordinating Council. Come on up, let's go! Let's go! Apil daw ang MC. Apil ang MC? Apil, oh my God, wako na info. Okay, ready? Saman. Ready? Ready? Right! Right! Actually, first time yung nagkita ni nila. Let's go! 1, 2! Zumba! Hey! Zumba! Yeah! Hey! 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 Go! Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. Okay. Bigas! Okay. Oh, wow! Mag-flex the ball! 8, 7. Okay, ready? Shake ya! Shake! Surge! 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6. Yes! 1, 2. Okay. Tanawa! Isa may unang one! Ayaw! Walay mo kulit ha! Nagpurong ka! Nagpurong ka palang kilay! Pikas! Alaganin ang mga nasa kilid! Palihog kong apil! One exhibition! Apil tanan! Okay! CL! Okay! Ulo! Okay, to the right.
I will tell you the truth. All you need is my love and my things to adore. To your eyes.
Sige. Say next. The Rapita.
The beautiful places and things that
Medyo naningot na tayo ng Rapita, ha? To the right. To the back. Para naglagoy mo kadong likod. 3, 4. Very good. Forward. Stretch! Grabe! To the top! Actually, sa giso ko na urla. Right! Mag-isod ko, ane. Sige, kaya! Sige, malugi! Pitas! Oh, very good! Very perfect! Okay na mo? Girl in the mirror daw. Pare. Waka-waka siya? Girl in the mirror daw. Oh. Ready? I feel so bata!
Wake up every day like hello beautiful. This world is so crazy. You can bring it down. You're too short, too fat, too skinny. Hey, well, excuse me if you think that
Okay,
I'm
pakita yung mga slides!
Cause I'm not what you know. I learned how to love me be replaced. So go ahead, be proud, be different. Hey, that's what makes you one out of a million. Whoa, my mama, she said, yeah. Don't you let him get you down. I can learn to love me. That's why I'm talking to the girl in the mirror. Whoa, like even if you're down, better get up. Whoa, 'cause every setback's just a setup.
Okay, girly now. Let's go.
A little bit better. Oh, I'm talking to the girl in the mirror. 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 Girl in the mirror.
So when you did it, you took it to the top. You gotta keep going with the grind. It's fast to see you on YouTube without on views. Yeah, girl, I'm watching you. You got that surf, you got that glow.
One,
Girl,
two,
just let them know. Count on more as the day just goes. I love your style and your rhythm.
Sway.
Yeah, yeah, I'm like, oh yeah, put your hands in the air. That girl power, that girl power. Put your hands up with the girl power. I like it, I won't bite it. Keep it all on the white. Show it, just kill it. So be your person, do it, shit.
Girl in the mirror, he slipped it. Like even is there anything that you would change about yourself?
Okay.
Yes, but
Kalma gamay.
What about you?
No, I like how I am.
You like you, right?
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Clap. Boasting. Wow, perfect. Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you so much, PYCC, for that warm-up exercise. Na-energize, Ramo? Kuwang pa. Sige, igdaga na ninyo niya. Okay. So now, ato na sundan atong panaw kaning buntaga with a prayer. Let us call on the presence of the Lord as we begin this meaningful activity. Please welcome for our invocation, Father Kid Sistoso, our team member of San Fernando, El Rey Parish.
Palihog ito po ini mga ulo itong pakayuan ng panalangin sa Diyos. Sa ngalan samahan ug sa anak sa Espiritu Santo. Amen. Amo lang itong amahan, nagapasinuog nagdayo kami kanimo tungod sa imong gugma ug kaayo nga walay kinutuban. Salamat ning laing adlaw nga imong gihatag kanamo, laing nga kahigayunan. Salamat sa kinabuhi ug kusog imong paambit kanamo. Salamat sab sa imong pagtigom kanamo karong buntaga, karong pagpahigayon ni run for a cause. Ni fun run. Hinaunta nga kami gikan dinhi, mubalik usab dinhi nga dili maunsa. Hinaunta nga kining maong run for a cause, fun run nga tulan na mo og run like a king. Magpahinom na mo nga ang kinabuhi usa ka pagpanaw gikan minimo, mubalik unta minimo nga dili maunsa nga nagasunod kami ni San Fernando sa iyang mga lakang aron mabud kami nga nasa imong harian dili ka buhi ug hari hangtod sa kahangturan. Amen. Sa ngalan samahan ug sa anak sa Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Thank you kayo, Father, for that wonderful prayer. And now, para mapadayon na itong pagpa-inspire sa ato, I would like to call on, as we run with the purpose in our heart, to run like a king and run with a cause, I would like to welcome, officially welcome us into this historic event. Brother, let's give a round of applause to Panchito our chairman and project and finance of San Fernando, El Rey Parish. A round of applause, please.
Hello! Hello! Okay, murag nindot ngayon, no? Aligri na tagamay, so padayon ta, so sa aron ta makapadayon, ato sa ninyo pasupot ang mga pulong gikan sa atong mga kaisunan. Mayong buntag kanatong tanan, especially to all their parishioners, guests, sponsors, runner, volunteers, and supporters of our beloved Parish San Fernando del Rey. In behalf of our team, Pastoral and Parish Council, welcome kamong tanan sa atong exciting and meaningful Run for a Cause. Run like a king. Today is not only about running, Dili lang ni about sa pace, distance, or medals. This event is about faith and unity, health and service. Sama sa atong patron, San Fernando el Rey, a king who lived with humanity, compassion, and devotion to God. May we also run for a purpose and with heart. Run like a king reminds us that every step we take today can help build something greater for our church community. Ang proceeds and ongoing activity will go to our ongoing church renovation and improvement projects aron makapadayon ta sa atong paglambo sa atong simbahan for the next generation. To all our participants, thanks to sa inyong pagsanong and wake up early, pursuing your support and becoming part of this cause. Ang inyong pag-apil karon is already a blessing from our Parish. Daghang salamat usab sa atong sponsors, organizers, volunteers, medical team, security personnel, LGU, and everyone who worked hard to make this event possible. Your generosity and dedication truly reflect and spirit of a Christian service. As we begin this fun run, let us remember we are not only running for ourselves, we are running for peace and for our church. So, lace up your shoes, enjoy the morning, stay safe, and let us all truly run like a king. May God bless us all. Viva San Fernando el Rey! Thank you.
Thank you so much for that inspirational welcome, Bro Pranchito. Thank you so much. O karon, ready na ba tanan managan? Yes! Can I hear a hey? Kasi managan for 10K! 5K! 3K! And 1.5K! Asa man atong mga runners, last but not the least, for Run for a King! Yay! Grabe ang energy. But now, kisa tong mga 10K for us to orient, mag-start na with 10K runners. Okay? After 10K runners will be, after 20 minutes will be our 5K runners. After 15 minutes, kay ato ang 3K, then ato ang 1.5K. And of course, to orient us, runners for 10K, here are your final reminders for safety, hydration, and discipline on the road. Let us all listen carefully to our race coordinator, Bro Kit De La Peña.
Good morning, mga runners! Good morning! Oh, nasan my energy? Good morning! Sige, to guide you sa ato ang run karon. So, this is our guidelines. So our gun start will be 4:30. Patagingon ni District Sino. So, please next na lang. And then there are water and food station and medics sa LCC gate, High Q, sa Liwayway, Parole, sa Lighthouse, and then sa Perete 8. And then for our marshals, nara sila around. And then you should stay on the route and follow signages and mga marshal instructions. Then for the race bib, so it will be checked before the gun start. And competitive runners, isa mga competitive runners, so pwede mo, ara mo sa tubangan jud para makaunagid mo. And then race bibs must be worn visibly on the front. Arigid siya, dili pwede sa luyo, dili pwede sa kilig. Arigid sa tubangan. And then no race bibs, no post-race freebies. So no medals, no katong mga inclusions na to. Then no lottery. Then use trash bins and at hydration stations. Yeah, respect road users kay namang yapoy some areas are open for traffic. Then if unwell, stop and call for assistance. So naramtay mga medics. So pwede na dyan mo patawag nila. Then run safe, know your limits, And watch out for stray dogs. Kaya nadyo daghang mga stray dogs. No? And then, running is good, but walking is okay. As long as maabot mo dire before 8. Then, first 3 fastest runners per category for male and female shall be awarded. Then, only registered runners shall be awarded. And good luck and God bless all runners. For the route. So this is the 10K route. So mag-start na diri sa Liloan Boulevard and then going to Luyo sa High Precision. Then we will traverse sa Mabini Street and then pag-abot na to sa junction sa may LCC. So we will go to highway and then straight na dahil na siya until sa Liwayway na ang first gate or last gate nila. And then U-turn, that will be your first U-turn. And then right turn to Lighthouse na dayon. And then go back to the provincial road. And then inigabot na to sa bridge sa Suba, so mo right turn ta. So dito mo balik sa gym, arito diri sa right sa Suba gid nga mudagan, and then igabot na rin na to sa gate sa 38, musud ta din. Ayun na din na to ang ending. Then for the 5K, so mga 5K raya. So same route, ang nawala ra is ang going to the lighthouse. Then next for the 3K. So for 3K kay almost the same route but until ra mo after sa Suba Bridge na U-turn point dito. So nga to takutok. And then for the 1.5 is after dia sa almost same route but after dia sa may LCC na junction mo left turn na din mo going back to the Parish. So that will be all and God bless and good luck.
Okay, so before we start, we will now count down for our official start of our Run Like a King, Run for a Cause 2026, our first ever fun run for San Fernando El Rey Parish. Okay, nada tayo timer for the starting. Okay na ba ta? Okay. I would like to request all runners, 10K, kaysa ito 10K? Okay, 10K runners. We can now proceed. We can now proceed to our starting point. All competitive runners, pwede ganoon din sa tubangan so that you can have a leg start over all of the rest of our runners. You can now assemble. Once again, our 10K will start at 4:30. Our 5K will be at 4:50. Our 3K will be 5:05. Our 1.5K will start at 5:15 a.m. Runners, don't worry, we have hydration stations along the way. As grabe sa to ang mga reminders, if you will need to rest, you can rest. If you don't need to run, you can walk. We have hydration stations along the way. You can now do your stretching, runners. Grabe. I can feel the energy from there. Padaplit na gamay. Medyo na-intimidate ko.
Good morning po. Okay lang ito. Nindot dito. Nindot dito.
We have around 150 runners. Grabe. Let's be kids. Let's keep hydrated, runners. 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Let's go, run like a king, run for a cause. Let's go, take me runners. Yeah, hey! See you in the finish line, runners. Okay, for all 5K runners, gun start is 4:50 a.m. So you can still chill. You can post your photos, selfies. #run like a king. #run for a cause. Naaday tayo water and boiled egg pag i-distribute sa last tent, kanang puting na tent at the end of the tents from our municipal team. Thank you so much po. You can do picture taking on the stage. Why not? Let's go, let's go. Do not forget to put #run like a king, #run for a cause. We would like to thank our sponsors for this event that made this possible. Our municipality of Liloan, Dito Telecom Unity, Barangay Poblacion, Barangay Katarman, Barangay Tayud, Congressman Duke Frasco, Rica's Catering, Katarman Industries Inc., Chardel, Ginebra San Miguel, Chandelier Mansion, Zaki and Cassie Catering Services, Maxway International Trading, Buds, June Magnus Sprint and more services, Katawa Exclusive Vacation House, Chartered Events and Catering Services, Black and Green Catering Services, Milis Fashion and Catering Services, Cebu Ventures Marketing and Technical Services, Chance Creations, Edwin and Dulce Ponce Catering, Cetera Inch Bricks, San Roque College, DIY Marketing Corp, Fitbar, and our Municipal Advisory Clinic. And we'd also like to extend our thanks to the support of our medical team and first aid sponsor, our local LGU, our traffic and security marshals, media, photo, and documentation team. Thank you so much. This fun run is not possible without you runners. We are 400 total plus runners here for Run Like a King, Run for a Cause, our first ever fun run over San Fernando El Rey Parish Church. Reminders, this is a basura-free fun run. Once again, this is a basura-free fun run. So, encourage all runners to please do not throw your garbage anywhere. There are designated trash bags and trash cans. Please, dito lang nato i-dispose. So, once again, this is a basura-free fun run. Once again, we have water and boiled eggs provided by our Municipal Advisory Council. Once again, we have water and boiled eggs provided by our Municipally Advisory Council. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir. Naa sila sa end of our tents, kanang white tents at the end. We have Fitbar promos and products. You can check out their booth right at the Dito tents. You can check out their products for their promos offered by a Fitbar. Once again, reminders, our 5K gun start is at 4:50 p.m. Once again, our 5K gun start is at 4:50 a.m. Runners, ready yourself. Okay, where are my 5K runners? 5K runners, okay? Let's go here at the front para mag-reorienta, balik. We can dance. Hawak mo ang beat. Wow, let's do it. Kalang-kalang. Medyo refresher before we do our... Oh, pwede lang. Picture lang. Picture lang. Kaya masayang tamam. Ready? 5K runners. Pwede na sa mag-join ang other K. Hey! Ready? Right. Left and right. Left. Very good. Right.
Pagpasok mo pa
Oh. 1, 2. Okay. Demure lang sa demure. Sige, come on, come on. 1, 2. Okay, very good. Hey. Hey. Come on, tayo. Hey. Hey. Let's go, cha-cha. 1 and 2 and 1 and tumigas. 1 and 2 and 1. Run, 2. Hey! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Hey! Very good. Let's go. Hawak mo. Grabe na. Let's go. Sayaw. 3,
ano ko pero
4.
tuloy
To the right.
Bigyan ako sa
Likod.
ikot mo para kasang bas
To the right.
mo sa mabay ka na rin
Sige. Hey. Slap. Hey. Hey. Very good.
sumusunod sa galaw
1, 2, 3, go. Hey! 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 Oh, go na! Hey!
Sa ang huling
Ano? Slow!
sasahig,
Hey!
sabay
One!
tayong sasabog.
Hey!
Sa tunog
One
ng
more!
disco, wala nang tanong.
Ano? Wait!
Ay na ng galaw ngayon.
Ready? 1, 2, 3! One! Hey! Very good! Hey! Hey! Bigyan yung mga sound! Let's go! Hey! Let's give ourselves a round of applause! Hey! And now for our fame orientation, I would like to call once again Brother Keith de la Peña. Hey! For our 5K racer.
Okay, good morning again. Mga runners, 5K runners, are you ready? Na-energize na mo sa tuwang mga sayaw? Sige, so for our race briefing sa katong mga bago lang naabot, so for our race, 5K will be 4:50 atong gun start, and then so program ends will be 8 a.m. the next. So for natay water station and / food station with medic spot sa LCC gate, HQ, Liwayway, sa Lighthouse, and then sa dili na sa Peritate. And then there are marshals around, so please follow lang sa tuwang mga signages and please stay on route. And then for your race tip will be checked before gun start. Then competitive runners, may mga competitive runners there, so please, you can go up front before the gun start, and then race tip must be worn visibly in the front, sa tubangan, and then no race bibs, no post, race freebies, or itong mga inclusions na to. And then so this is a basura free, so please no littering, and use the trash bins at hydration stations, and please respect the road users, kaya naya pa yung mga open na mga roads. Then if you feel unwell, stop and call for assistance, kaya naran tayong mga medics around. And then please run safe, know your limits, and then please watch out for stray dogs, kaya nagi mga stray dogs around. And then running is good, but walking is okay, but be sure to be here before 8. Then, first 3 fastest runners per category for male and female shall be awarded, and only registered runners shall be awarded, and dapat natay katong mga wristbands na to sa atong U-turn slots. Then, good luck and God bless runners. So for the 5K na route, so naretong starting, then going ta sa likod sa high precision, then mo traverse ta sa kanima Mabini State, then pag-abot nato diri sa LCC na junction, we will go to right, we will turn right going sa highway, then after na straight na ta going to Liwayway nga corporation, and then nandito ang first U-turn or inyong U-turn, then go back na ta, straight na balik, then iabot nyo sa Suba Bridge, we will turn right, then ari na rin taagi diri sa luyo sa ato ang simbahan, doon diri balik sa ato ang Liloanons Boulevard. So God bless and that will be all. Good luck runners.
Thank you so much, Bro Kid. And now, I would like to request all 5K runners to situate yourself at our starting point. Let's go! All 5K runners now proceed to our starting point. run po. Last 4 minutes. Final reminders. We have water stations along the way. If gimangapoy mo, you can reach out to our marshals na naaga sa tong route. And of course, if you cannot run, you can definitely walk. Do not forget to post all of your selfies, pictures, and capture moments. Make sure your official hashtag Run Like a King, hashtag Run for a Cause. More. Competitive runners, you can now proceed in the front. Once again, competitive runners, you can proceed in the front. Once again, calling all 5K runners to now proceed sa gun start. We have around 205K runners! Hey! Kaway-kaway naman dyan to our malakasang 200 strong runners! Gun start. 3K and 1.5K, you can stand by sa. Don't you worry, your turn will eventually arrive. that made this fun run possible. Municipality of Liloan, Dito Telecommunity, Barangay Poblacion, Barangay Katarman, Barangay Layun, Congressman Duke Frasco, Rico's Catering, Katarman Industries Inc., Chordel, Ginebra, San Miguel, Chandelier Mansion, Zaffi and Cassie Catering Services, Maxway International Trading, Buds, June Magnus Print and More Services, Katawa Exclusive Vacation House, Chonards Events and Catering Services, Black and Pink Catering Services, Lily's Fashion and Catering Services, Cebu Ventures Marketing and Technical Services Inc. Buds Boxing Basketball Court, Buds Minton and Buds Convenience Store, June Magnus Print and More Services, Katawa Exclusive Vacation House, Chonards Events and Catering Services, Black and Pink Catering Services, Lily's Fashion and Catering Services, Cebu Ventures Marketing and Technical Services Inc. Chance Creations, Edwin and Dulce Ponce Catering, Celery Inch Breaks, San Roque College de Cebu, Liwayway Marketing Corp, Fitbar, and the Municipal Advisory Council. Jamed Apartment, Jamed Refilling Station, PN Merchandising and Services. And of course, our medical team and first aid responders, traffic and security marshals, media, photo, and documentation team. Thank you very much. Lost and found red wallets. Once again, lost and found red wallet. Please claim at the tech booth. Once again, lost and found red wallets. Once again, base receipt, Ma'am Garbo Nancy Ikot. Garbo Nancy Ikot, please claim your red wallets at the tech booth. Once again, this is a basura-free fun run, encouraging all runners to please do not litter and throw all of your trashes in the trash bins. Okay, 3K runners, our start will be 5:05. Please post your photos and pictures. Hashtag run like a king, run for a cause. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Okay, where are my 3K runners? Active pa ba? Naluya na? Beko, ma-active pa? Energy check? Wala daw. I say energy check? Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Viva! Wow, very active. Viva! Yes! Viva San Fernando, alright! Murag-murag wadag kadungan. Diliw na ka din, he? Okay, now for our orientation and safety guidelines, I'd like to call once again, Bro Kid de la Peña. So Kid, let's go. Okay. For now, post your pictures. Hashtag run like a king. Run for a cause. Grabe, kakita yun. Ang 3K pinakalagsik yun ako nakitaan. Grabe. Makpaki yung kagalingon. Yeah! Hey! Okay, Tito Kid?
Sige, so good morning once again. So for sa mga karon panabot or wala ganina sa mga race briefing, so your gun start will be 5:05 and then program ends by 8 a.m. So there are water and food station and medics along sa since 3 kaya mo so koto mo LCC and period 8 and then marshals are scattered around the road. Then stay on your route and follow the signages. And then your race tips will be checked before the gun start. So natin mga marshals ulit. And then competitive runners can go up front before the gun start. So dito ng mga competitive runners, pwede mo maguna sa tubangan. And then race bib must be worn visibly at the front. Then no race bibs, no post-race freebies. So this is reminder, this is a basura-free na event, and please no loitering, and please use our trash bins sa hydration stations. Then please respect our road users. And then if feeling unwell, please stop and call for assistance. Naroon tayong mga medics around. And then run safe, know your limits. Then watch out for stray dogs, kinagi mga ero. And then running is good, but walking is okay. As long as tabot mo dire before 8 a.m. Then first 3 fastest runners per category for male and female will be awarded, but only registered runners shall be awarded. And good luck and God bless mga runners. So for the race route sa tripping, so from ganitong starting line, then going sa luyo sa high precision, then mo reverse na diri sa Pabini Street, then pag-abot na to diri sa kanang junction sa LCC, so mo right turn ta padung sa highway, and then straight na din ta until sa Suba Bridge. So unahan sa Suba Bridge sa may incline dapit na ay U-turn slot dito, so tuyok na dito, and then pagbalik ninyo after sa may Suba Bridge, kay mo right turn ta padung sa Suba. Then going na dito diri luyo sa ato ang simbahan, and then sa pastoral, and then balik na din ta diri sa ato ang finish line. So that will be all, and God bless sa ato mga runners.
Yeah, hey, thank you. Where are my 3K runners? Thank you, Tito Kid. Grabe, let's now put relocate na ta sa ato ang starting point. Grabe, ka-feel ko sa energy sa tong 3K. Grabe. Muning pinaka-kuskan. Let's now situate ourselves at front of the starting line. All 3K runners proceed to the starting line. We have 5 minutes left. Ang interview ko kadiyo. Ma'am, kumusta imong feelings sa atong Run Like a King, Run for a Cause?
Super excited.
Grabe, super excited. Thank you kayo, ma'am. How about our runners here? Kumusta ba ato ang run karon? O sa kaurasan ni Kuan bro? Ni Pata.
Inumatay ko alas 5 alas 4 mitya.
Grabe, so unsa may na-feel ni mo karon?
Energy.
Energy! Grabe! Energy! Asa na mga energy of our 3K runners! May mga tanan na sa kadini. Kaninang selfie. Hi, ma'am! Kumusta? Unsa may mong na-feel karon? Ay, grabe. Taas kay kong pangutana. Good. Pero thank you, gihapon, ha? Good daw kayo. How about our runners here? Hi, ma'am. Kumusta? Ma'am, unsa ba nito na-feel karon? Energetic! Energy! Awa, nagunaan yun. Oh, grabe. naklaro na ginako magpanikan sa atong runners. We have 4 minutes left. Grabe. Mga mana ko kong lain. Pila mo? Ay, kani. Ma'am, mangutan ako, ma'am. Ma'am, ikaw dyan, ma'am. Ay, ma'am. Kaliyot, ma'am. Kaliyot ikaw, ma'am. Kaya mabayaran ka diliwan. Ay! Kap, is that true? Wala, Kap. Lugay na kita. Wala kita sa itong reunion. Watch ko ka-appeal. Kap, how do you feel right now?
Alam, first time ba yung hindi na makakita?
Grabe, first. Ay, kala. Naipagkao, naitubigan. Jollibee. What I appeal. And how many days ka nag-training ka pa ng 3K ka?
Cute.
Grabe. Oh, unsa mo. Katulad competitive, wala ni training din. Kaya kayo. Grabe yun. Okay. Thank you kayo, Kap. Thank you so much. 3 minutes left. And for our major sponsors, kung wapat na gusto mo makapit na kanay SIM cards from our major sponsor, Daghang Telecommunity. Thank you so much, sponsors! Hey! Wala lagi ko nakapagan, ma'am. Ay, and of course, our Fit Bar sponsors and Barangay Ginebra. Wait, mag-interview ko glass. Last na lang. Asa? Ma'am, ayun rin daw. Wala. Ma'am, ang sino na feel right now? Ay, kahihiyon daw. Grabe, runners daw kung lagay kapoy ta or gusto paging pwede ragyod ta mo hapit. Sa tubig, ay dili dahil sa dagat, dili pwede. Bawal, loitering. Thank you so much, Ma'am Irene. 2 minutes more. Runners, ready yourselves. Once again, calling all 3K runners to proceed at the sun starting point. Grabe, timing kita sunrise. Look at your right. It's a sunrise. Yay! Grabe. Muna siya running by the sun. All competitive runners, you can be at the front. Uy, grabe, gano'n na lang binirahay. Sa may 3K or 1.5K, 3K, ha? Uy, grabe. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Do not forget to capture your moments, runners. Let's go! Hashtag run like a king. Hashtag run for a cause. Yay! Wala. Nanang mga panggiitan. Our 1.5 runners will be running at 5:15 a.m. I would like to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Edna Cala. Hi, ma'am! Moransad mo, kuyog ako. Dili ko karon, ila ko gipa-MC. Let's go, you can take a photo on our stage. Hashtag run like a king, run for a cause. Grabe, wala ba yung taka-zumba ganina? Grabe! Where are my 1.5k cuties? Mom! 1.5 over my... Nay! Ganina ba? Energetic yakon si nanay. Nay, dali tapari ko. Ah, okay. Ready na ta? Ready na? Hawak ko ang beat. Hawak ko ang beat. Ready ka na? Grabe yung mansukol siya na sila beat-beat. Ay. Grabe ako sa magi. Tagaliluan na mo? Ay! Grabe ka, energetic na mga 1.5. Ready? Hey, wait! Hey, hey! Clap! Hey, hey! Hey, hey! Hey, hey!
Pagpasok mo pa lang
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, four, 5, 6, 1. Hey! Hey! Right! Hey! Forward! Forward! Sige, patuloy ako dito mama! 1, 2, 3, go! Hey! To the right! To the left! Right to the left! Hey! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4! Hey! 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 Grabe mga tuhod! Fucking tayo! 1, 2, 3! Lalo, wala na kayo! Grabe! Ready? Oh, Ana! 2, 3, 4, 5, side! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, likod! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8! 1, 2, 3, Cha-cha! Pahita Paris! Pahita Paris! Hey! Cha-cha! 1, 2, 3, 4! Very good! Hey!
Sa tunog ng disco, wala nang tanong.
Very good! Grabe, very good! Very perfect! Hey! Ready? Let's go! Hey! 1, 2, ay, kita muna ito sa smoke. One more! Hey! Hey! Okay, Ana! Very good! Hey! Sige! Push! 1, 2, 1, hey! Salamat! Posing of perfect! Grabe! Ang mga kabatch, ginin ako. Sige, mamanayaw pa daw sila. Ay, mulakaw na daw mo. Sige, maginahinay ta din, Proceed to the starting. Manayaw na noon to.
Dali, hipopoto mo. Ha? Hindi na kumainaw.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of our Mayor, Aljon Frasco and his family. Hi, Mayor! Hawak po ang big namin, Mayor. Hawak po. Okay? Asking all 1.5K. Thank you so much for support. And atong first male finisher. Wow! For 10K. Joshua from Team T2F. 10. For 5K category. Thank you so much mga assistants din. Thank you, man. Start na ta? Mayor selfie, hashtag run like a king, hashtag run for a cause. Thank you kayo. Ready na na? Panaklit sa kaniyong, panaklit sa! We have our first 5K finisher! Hey! Let's give him a round of applause. Ten! Sige, ready? 1.5K runners? Ready na? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Kaya, mabili tayo dyan, kalma. May Jollibee. Joke lang. Kaya lang ba, hinahinay ka? Hinahinay, ready? Our second finisher is also here. Congratulations. Our first 3K. Runners, let's see each other at the finish line. Raise the bib, raise the starting. This is at the Sura Free Fun Run. Please dispose your garbage at the proper trash bins. We would like to thank our sponsors to make this event successful. Municipality of Liloanons, Dito Telecommunity, Barangay Poblacion, Barangay Katarwan, Barangay Tayud, Congressman Duke Fresco, Rica's Catering, Katarman Industries Inc., Chordel, Ginebra San Miguel, Chandelier Mansion, Zappy and Cassie Catering Services, Maxway International Trading, Buds Court, Budsminton, Basketball Buds, June Magnus Print and More Services, Katawa Exclusive Vacation House, Chonards Events and Catering Services, Black and Pink Catering Services, Venus Fashion and Catering Services, Cebu Ventures Marketing and Technical Services Inc., Chance Creation, Edwin and Dulce Ponce Catering, Sudbury, Inch Bricks, San Roque, College de Cebu, DIY Marketing Corp, Fitbar, Municipal Advisory Council, JMES Apartments. Thank you once again to all our major sponsors, and of course, all the medical team and first aid responders, traffic and security marshals, media, photo, and documentation team. Thank you for the support for making this first ever fun run of San Fernando LRA successful. please claim your postpass and food packs at our Dito tent. Kanang beside sa Ethel San Miguel Alcohol. Please, runners, claim your food packs and we also have postpass. Please claim at the Dito tent. Beside our Municipal Advisory Council tent.
Para abutin ang tuktok nating hanap ng tapat. Nahabol ang pangarap, kumukura. Kahit may
Runners, you can claim your food packs and postpass and our snacks at our Dito tents. Please proceed beside the Municipal Advisory Council tent.
di atrasar, ganado sa anumang laban. Tatak ng tapat,
Runners, incoming!
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, tapang,
Di lahat ng una, kailangan tiisin. Yung una na trip mo agad, yun ang tumatatak. First heartbreak,
We have our finisher for 1.5 female category.
hindi lahat madali. Pero pwedeng masarap ang simula.
Once again, runners, please claim your food packs, postpass, and of course, water at our Dito tents. Once again, runners, please claim your food packs, postpass, and water at our Dito tents. And of course, you can also go to our Fit Bar and Dito stalls so that they can see the products offering, of course, ethyl alcohol.
1, 2, 3, let's go! Let's party out, yes, I'm blowing the house. Wanna celebrate with a fruit trip. Wanna have some fun, so choose. SM tulad si Martini, bawat ganap ang easy to drink. Overpower, so choose. Yes, I'm blue, like Martinis. Yes, I'm blue, like Martini. Let's chew and take it easy. Enjoy the moment, choose. Yes, I'm blue, like Martini. Let's chew and take it easy. Enjoy the moment, choose. Yes, I'm blue, like Martini. Hey.
The usual. Alam mo na, para sa amin, yung primera klase.
Finisher for our 3K female.
From Spain. Award-winning. Premium blend.
Runners, finishers, you can claim your food packs, postpass, and water at our Dito tents and our Municipal Advisory Council tents.
Dahil primera klase ka.
Congratulations, our finisher.
Runners, please claim your food packs, puspas, and water at our dito tents and the tents of Municipal Advisory Council. Once again, runners and finishers, you can now claim your food packs, puspas, and water at our dito telecommunity tents and Municipal Advisory Council tents.
Lahat tayo'y laging nagsisikap para abutin ang tuktok nating hanap. Kapag hinahabol ang pangarap, di kumukurap kahit mahirap. Araw-araw may nais makamtan, anumang hadlang ay
Runners, incoming! You can also check out our Fit Bar, Dito Mobile, and ethyl alcohol stalls to check up on their products and services. Once reminding, this is a basura-free fun run. So please dispose your trash at the proper trash bins and trash cans. Once again, this is a basura-free fun run. Please dispose your trash in the proper designated trash bins and trash cans. Thank you. Announcing we have products sold by Fitbar and Dito Mobile Telecommunity. And of course, ethyl alcohol. You can check out their stalls, runners and finishers. Thank you so much. Runners incoming! Once again, runners, finishers, please gain your food packs at our Dito Telecommunities tents and our Municipal Advisory Council tents. Thank you so much. Basura-free fun run. Please throw your trash and garbage at the proper disposal bins. Once again, this is a basura-free fun run. Please throw your trash at the designated trash bins and trash cans. Thank you so much. also check out our booths and stalls at Fitbar, Dito Mobile Telecommunity, and of course, Ethel Alcohol. So, you can also peruse there after nga nagkakaon na tayo. Do not forget to post your pictures, selfies at hashtag Run Like a King, hashtag Run for a Cause. Our sponsors for today, Municipality of Liloan, Dito Telecommunity, Barangay Poblacion, Barangay Katarman, Barangay Tayur, Congressman Duke Frasco, Rico's Catering Services, Katarman Industries Inc., Chardel Marketing, Ginebra San Miguel, Chandelier Mansion, Zaki and Cassie Catering Services, Maxway International Trading Incorporated, Bod's Boxing, Basketball Court, Badminton and Convenience Store, June Magnus Print and More Services, Katawa Exclusive Vacation House, Chonard's Events and Catering Services, Black and Pink Catering Services, Lily's Fashion and Catering Services, Cebu Ventures Marketing, Technical Services Inc., Chen's Creations, Edwin and Dulce Ponce Catering, Cedric Inch Bricks, San Roque College de Cebu, Liwayway Marketing Corp, Fit Bar, Municipal Advisory Council, JMED Apartment Refilling Station Merchandising and Services. Thank you so much also to our medical team and first aid responders, traffic and security marshals, media photo and documentation team. This event will not be successful without you. Runners, finishers, you can claim your food back at our Dito Telecommunity tents and tents of our Municipal Advisory Council. Once again, finishers, you can claim your food packs at our Dito Telecommunity tents and Municipal Advisory Council tents. Thank you. Please also check our stalls at Fitbar, Dito Mobile Telecommunity, and Ethel Alcohol. Runners, you can check out our products at Fitbar, Dito Mobile Telecommunity, and our Ethel Alcohol. Once again, this is a basura-free event. Please dispose your trashes at the designated trash bins and trash cans. Once again, this is a basura-free fun run. Please throw your trashes at the designated trash bins and trash cans. Thank you very much. hours incoming. Congratulations, finishers! Post your selfies and your moments to our official hashtag Run Like a King, Run for a Cause. Finishers, please claim your food packs at our D2 Telecommunity tents and Municipal Advisory Council tents. Once again, finishers, you can claim your food packs at our D2 Telecommunity tents and Municipal Advisory Council tents. Thank you very much. We would also like to thank our additional sponsors at Sanens Catering and Mon and Boris Alejandrino. Once again, we'd also like to thank our additional sponsors, Sanens Catering, Mon and Boris Alejandrino, and Mr. Kim Villamore. Thank you so much for making this event successful. You can claim your food packs at our Dito Telecommunity tents and Municipal Advisory Council tents. Once again, finishers, you can claim your food packs at our Dito Telecommunity tents and Municipal Advisory Council tents. You can also check our stalls, our food bar, Dito Mobile Telecommunity, and ethyl alcohol. Once again, runners, you can also check out our exciting products and services at Fitbar Stalls, Dito Mobile Telecommunity, and ethyl alcohol. runners, you can also check out our products at Fitbar stalls, Dito Mobile Telecommunity, and San Miguel Ethel Alcohol. Once again, this is a basura-free fun run. Please dispose your trashes at the designated trash cans and trash bins. Once again, this is a basura-free fun run. Please dispose your trashes at the designated trash bins and trash cans. Thank you so much. We would like to thank our major sponsors and the rest of our sponsors, Municipality of Liloan, Dito Telecommunity, Barangay Poblacion, Barangay Katarman, Barangay Tayon, Congressman Duke Frasco, Rico's Catering, Katarman Industries Inc., Chardel, Ginebra, San Miguel, Chandelier Mansion, Zappy and Cassie Catering Services, Maxway International Trading, Bud Sport, Badminton, June Magna Sprint and more services, Katawa Exclusive Vacation House, Chonard's Events and Catering Services, Black and Pink Catering Services, Lilis Fashion and Catering Services, Cebu Ventures Marketing and Technical Services Inc., Chance Creation, Edwin and Dulce Ponce Catering, Cedary Inch Bricks, San Roque College de Cebu, Liwayway Marketing Corp, Municipal Fitbar, Municipal Advisory Clinic, JMES Apartments, and of course our additional sponsors, Sanance Catering, Mon and Boris Alejandrino, and Mr. Kim Villamor. Thank you so much for your support. This event will not be possible without you. Please post your moments with our official hashtag, Run Like a King, Run for a Cause. Finishers, please claim your food packs at our Dito Telecommunity tents. And of course, at our Municipal Advisory Council tents. Once again, for the meantime, you can also claim post pass. For the meantime, our food packs are still on transit. Yes, once again, you can still claim, but for the meantime, post pass and water, our food packs are still on transit. Okay? We are 400 plus strong. Run like a king runners. You can check out our booth at Fitbar, Dito Mobile Telecommunity, and San Miguel Ethel Alcohol. Once again, finishers, you can check our stalls and products at Fitbar, Dito Mobile Telecommunity, and San Miguel Ethel Alcohol. Thank you so much. of our San Fernando El Rey Parish, which is San Fernando El Rey Parish, Liloanons, Cebu. That is our official FB page. Please like and follow, please. Thank you so much. And of course, also follow our San Fernando El Rey Parish Youth Coordinating Council official FB page. Once again, runners, you can follow our San Fernando El Rey Parish Liloanons, Cebu official FB page. And of course, our PYCC San Fernando El Rey Parish Youth Coordinating Council official FB page. Do not forget to post your moments under our official hashtag Run Like a King, hashtag Run for a Cause. Runners, you can now claim your food packs. Oh, naabot lang siya. Thank you so much. Of course, alongside puspas and water at our Dito Telecommunity tents and our Municipal Advisory Council tents. Thank you so much. Runners, you can take a photo at our stage. Hashtag Run Like a King. Hashtag Run for a Cause. Do not forget, this is a basura-free fun run. Please dispose your trashes at the designated bin and trash cans. Once again, this is a basura-free fun run. Please throw your trashes at the designated trash cans and trash bins. We would like to thank our sponsors for this event, Municipality of Liloan, Dito Telecommunity, Barangay Poblacion, Barangay Katarmay, Barangay Tayud, Congressman Duke Fresco, Rico's Catering, Katarman Industries Inc., Chardel, Ginebra San Miguel, Chandelier Mansion, Zappy and Cassie Catering Services, Maxway International Trading, Bud Sports, June Magna Sprint and more services, Katawa Exclusive Vacation House, Chonard's Events and Catering Services, Black and Pink Catering Services, Lilis Fashion and Catering Services, Cebu Ventures Marketing and Technical Services Inc., Chance Creation, Edwin and Dulce Ponce Catering, Celery Inch Bricks, San Roque College de Cebu, Liwayway Marketing Corp, Fitborn, Municipal Advisory Council, JLE Apartments, and of course our additional sponsors, Sanon's Catering, Mon Ann Boris Alejandrino, and Mr. Kim Villamor. We would like to extend our thank you to also our support teams, our medical team and first aid responders, our LGUs, PNP, traffic and security marshals, LIPCOM, media photo and documentation team, and of course for you runners for making this event successful. In honor of our San Fernando El Rey. We have our guests, Era Covers, Marino DJ, J-Heart Music, Roland Abante Bunot, Chipmunks Band Cebu. This is all for the celebration of Relive Fiesta 2026. Once again, we are presenting to you our San Fernando El Rey Parish Hawak Mo ang Fiesta Beat, a concert for a cause in honor of San Fernando El Rey with our main performers, A-Rock Covers, Marinong DJ, J-Heart Music, Roland Abante Bunot, Chipmunks Band Cebu. This is for our Liloan Fiesta 2026. This is on May 30, our Liloan Boulevard near Pier 88, 6:30 p.m. and beyond. For ticket sales and inquiries, please visit Parish Caritas Office San Fernando, El Rey Parish, Liloan, Cebu. Jan Ad is 300, Silver 1,000, and VIP 1,200. Unsa pa ba yatong gihuwad? We will sing and dance for San Fernando, El Rey. Kita-kits sa inyong tanan karong May 30. Runners, thank you so much. Telecommunity tents and our Municipal Advisory Council tents. Thank you so much. You can stay put for our awarding ceremonies later. So I will hawa to mga runners. You can also witness our awarding ceremonies later. Once again, runners, you can now claim your food packs at our Dito Telecommunity tents and Municipal Advisory Council tents. And of course, check out our products at our Fit Bar booths, Dito Mobile Telecommunity booth, and of course, our San Miguel Ethyl Alcohol. Don't forget to post your pictures at hashtag Run Like a King, hashtag Run for a Cause. Once again, please post your photos and moments at our official hashtag, hashtag Run Like a King, hashtag Run for a Cause. Follow our San Fernando El Rey Parish Liloan Cebu official FB page of the parish. San Fernando El Rey Parish Youth Coordinating Council official FB page for PYCC. Once again, you can now please follow San Fernando El Rey Parish Liloan Cebu, the official FB page of the parish, and San Fernando El Rey Parish Youth Coordinating Council, the official FB page of PYCC. For finishing the race! Congrats, Mayor, and the rest of the fam! We would like to thank the municipality of Liloan for making this event possible with our major sponsors. Dito Telecommunity, Barangay Poblacion, Barangay Katarman, Barangay Tayo, Congressman Duke Fresco, Rico's Catering Services, Katarman Industries Inc., Chardel Marketing, Ginebra San Miguel, Chandelier Mansion, Zaffi and Cassie Catering Services, Maxway International Trading Incorporated, Bod's Court Basketball and Convenience Store, June Magnus Print and More Services, Katawa Exclusive Vacation House, Connor's Events and Catering Services, Black and Pink Catering Services, Catering Services. Cebu Ventures Marketing and Technical Services Inc. Chance Creations. Edwin and Dulce Ponce Catering. Cedric Inch Bricks. San Roque College de Cebu. Liwayway Marketing Corp. Fit Bar. Municipal Advisory Council. JMed Apartment Refilling Station P&N Merchandising Services, Norman Glass Trading and Services. And of course, our additional sponsors, Sanens Catering, Mon and Boris Alejandrino, and Mr. Kim Villamor. Thank you so much for making this event possible. We would also like to extend our grateful thanks to our medical team and first aid responders, PNP Traffic, Litcom and Security Marshals, Media Photo and Documentation team, and of course our LGUs. Thank you so much, Ma'am and Sir, for making this event possible and for your heartfelt support. This will not be possible, our first ever fun run at San Fernando El Rey Parish, without all of you guys. Finishers, you can claim your food packs at our Dito Telecommunity Tents and Municipal Advisory Council tents. And of course, check out the products in our Fit Bar booths, Dito Mobile Telecommunity booths, and our San Miguel Ethyl Alcohol booths. So once again, finishers, you can check our products at Fit Bar booths, Dito Mobile Telecommunity booth, and our San Miguel Ethyl Alcohol. Please remember, this is a basura-free fun run. Throw your trashes at the designated trash bins and trash cans. Once again, this is a basura-free fun run. Please throw your trashes at the designated trash bins and trash cans. Thank you very much. Do not forget to post your moments, selfies, and of course atong mga pictures with other runners and our families under our official hashtag, #RunLikeAKing, #RunForACause. Once again, please post your moments in FB through our official hashtag, #RunLikeAKing, #RunForACause. Page, San Fernando El Rey Parish, Liloanons, Cebu. It is the official FB page of our parish, and of course, the San Fernando El Rey Parish Youth Coordinating Council, the official FB page of DYCC. Once again, follow our San Fernando El Rey Parish, Liloanons, Cebu official FB page of our parish, and of course, our San Fernando El Rey Parish Youth Coordinating Council, the official FB page for DYCC. This is to show our announcements of our parish and further events. Covers, Marinong DJ, J-Heart Music, Ronald Abante Bunot, and Chipmunks Band Cebu. This is for our Liloan Fiesta 2026 on May 30, 2026. It is located at Liloan Boulevard near Pier 88, 6:30 p.m. and beyond. For ticket sales and inquiries, please visit our Parish Caritas office, San Fernando El Rey Parish, Liloan, Cebu. Once again, for our ticket sales, Gen Ad 300 pesos, Silver 1,000 pesos, VIP 1,200. Please go to our Parish Caritas office at San Fernando El Rey Parish, Liloan, Cebu, or you can contact Sis Gig or Sis Malu 0956173078 or 0945-497-3136. For further announcement, please follow our official FB page, San Fernando El Rey Parish, Liloan, Cebu official FB page of Parish, and San Fernando El Rey Parish Youth Coordinating Council for further announcements. Once again, we are presenting you San Fernando El Rey Parish Hawk Mong Beat, Fiesta Beat, a concert for a cause in honor of San Fernando El Rey, featuring area covers, Marinong DJ, J-Heart Music, Roland Abante Bunot, and Chipmunks Band Cebu for Liloan Fiesta 2026 on May 30. This will be on Liloan Boulevard near Pier 88, 6:30 p.m. and beyond. Gen Ad is 300 pesos, Silver 1,000 pesos, VIP 1,200 pesos. Ticket sales, please inquire for our Parish office, Parish Caritas office, San Fernando El Rey, Parish Liloan, Cebu. Magkita-kita na dito mga ka-parishioners. Calling Sis Kiara de la Kenya to